guys, so happy Saturday. Today is my birthday. We have been all over Alabama so far. I mean, not really. We just drove from our house to Huntsville to drop off some Christmas gifts. And now we're on our way to Tennessee or somewhere that's like 2 hours away. Thomas slipped up earlier when we were with my mom and said, oh, when we get to Tennessee. And I was like, is that where we're going? I either know Chattanooga or Gatlinburg, but he said we're going somewhere that we've actually never been to before. So I don't really know what we're doing. Henry is with us though. Thomas is in the bathroom. I just got us a snack. And I thought I would just go ahead and say hello because I want this to be like the most smoothest video ever instead of just getting like the most random clips and then like put it all together. But I'm gonna try and like do my best to like vlog really good this weekend. Not wearing makeup. I did straighten my hair earlier. I didn't like put makeup on. I'm gonna do that when we get to wherever we're going. But yeah, so I just wanted to say a quick hello and to start the video. So I hope y'all enjoy. Someone out there.
You see the cooling tower somewhere?
To my destination. I was right because I said Gatlinburg or Chattanooga, and it was Chattanooga. I still don't know what we're doing, but we are staying at an Airbnb, and Thomas and I have never stayed at one of these before, so I thought I would just kind of show you around. It's like a guest house and someone lives like over there, but it's really cool. So I'm just gonna give you kitchen. It's cool though. I don't know if normally people like offer stuff like this. See, that's like her house, but this is like the guest house, and like they have like a garage down there. So, and Henry gets to stay. Henry,
He's just sniffing.
you're just sniffing lots of smells because they let dogs stay here. So got a TV, damn carpet lines though. Roku, cute little welcome. Maybe this was like a game area. That would have been cute. She even put us like a little dog towel. Oh, Dad left. It's okay. That's a cleaning closet. This is an extra bathroom. Super cute. It's okay, bud. And then we have the room, and it's so cute. Yes. Super cute as well because they have a fenced-in separate backyard for dogs that stay with them, which is super cool. I had to like scan the property to make sure there wasn't like holes because Henry would get out. But yeah, so Henry's already been exploring outside. It's so cute. I think this is my favorite spot because there's a stool and a mirror. So this is where I'm gonna do my makeup real quick. Closet and the bathroom. The bathroom is so nice. And it's so cool because I shouldn't have brought my hairdryer. Well, I needed it anyways because we're gonna be going to Huntsville after this, but I brought a hairdryer. It's just towels, and like a nice lotion and a face cleanser, towels, cute. And then the shower. Thomas and I love nice showers, so this is cool. Yeah. Let's see if this opens. Oh my gosh, it does. That's legit, you guys. That's so cool. I've never seen that before. I'll have to show Thomas. I'm gonna lock that back though. There. But yeah. So neat. But yeah, I'm fixing to brush my hair, do some makeup, and we will be good to go. I think we're gonna go eat. I found something really cool.
Yep.
There's like this in the shower you can like open up and it's like a screen. So you can like so it might be that no, there's a fan in there. But yeah, so just wanted to give y'all a tour. Like I said, I'm gonna make this a good vlog and not be so splotchy with my footage. So
Good.
Okay, we're fixing to go. My Christmas shirt. That's my truck and my reindeer. So down here, look in the mirror, or go kind of slow, and you'll see that them they're like playing a movie like in the window.
Huh. Oh, I see it.
Isn't that so cool? I don't know if it's a movie or just a scene. I think it's just a scene. It's so cute.
Santa just walked across.
Huh?
Santa just walked across.
Santa.
Just in the.
Oh.
Walking across the thing.
Can't see me, but we had our dinner. We went to Sticky Fingers. It was really good. We are super full though. And went back and made sure Henry was okay, because we had to put him in this little crate so he wouldn't go pee-pee anywhere, because this Airbnb, like other dogs stay there, so we didn't want Henry to mark his little areas. So yeah, so now we're like 6 minutes away from my surprise, and I literally have no idea. So just a little update, even though it's in the dark. 1 minute away. Is it this little thing?
I think it's the entrance.
Aww.
I think it was the entrance.
What is it?
Oh, they're gonna turn around. Somehow.
Huh.
This will be easy right here. Easy, Jackson, easy.
I can't read it.
I'm really hoping this is where I'm supposed to be.
Cool.
Okay, well, alright.
Aww. Cool.
Great, awesome. Well, thank you, sir.
Thank you
I
so much.
appreciate
We
it,
would have
George.
not made it here.
Yeah, definitely will. It's
Oh my
already
God,
very pretty with the
cool.
lights. Y'all did a great job with that too. So, yeah, well, y'all did. Will do. Thank you, sir. Bye bye.
He tried to cross as fast train.
Okay. Park
Holy crap.
anywhere. Somewhere.
Oh my God, look at it. It's all freaking.
I'm just gonna go this way.
I was like, there's nobody here.
There was nobody there. My lovely GPS took me the wrong place. I'm gonna walk right here. Have good drinks? Have good times?
Let me introduce you to. Can I hug St. Nick later?
Absolutely.
Bam! Only listeners. Well, let me introduce you to your serving staff. You have me, Patty. You might notice that my accent isn't from around these parts. That is because I am a failed leprechaun. How did I fail? Well, I was a wee bit too tall. So, I decided to try being an elf. Well, I kept nipping into the whiskey a little bit too often, so they said, well, if you can nip it, you can serve it. So here I am, back into the train. Also joining us this evening is Miss Melody Snow.
For my first job working on the Christmas train, I rode the train to the North Pole where I worked with the elf choir. You see, Rudolph had decided to join the choir, but he only knew the one song. I handled Rowdy Rudolph so well that I decided I could handle singing with rowdy people drinking on a train.
We also have Miss Kitty.
I am in charge of the pet department at the North Pole. So when children run in to ask for puppies or kittens or ponies, it has to go through me. So if you really don't want your child to have that pet iguana or giant horse or whatever, you better be pretty nice because I'm in charge of that. Santa did see me herding cats and breaking up dog fights, so he said, you can be on the liquor cart now.
Now, for the second most important person on the train, she is the one who puts spirits back into the holiday spirits. Kiki, our bartender. I must say this. St. Nicholas is a wonderful person. He is so wonderful that he has taken a vow of poverty. It's true. But don't worry, any tips given to us this evening will be donated to the Chattanooga Community Kitchen. So please eat well, drink well, enjoy your ride on the train. We will be at the North Pole shortly. And if you need anything at all or have any questions, feel free to ask. And thank you once again for riding with us this evening. These sleigh bells have a magic bit about them. And the magic bit is, you've got to sing for them. Now, you might say, oh, I can't sing, I can't carry a tune in a bucket. Well, that's all right. Just finish your drink and sing louder. And if that doesn't work, just jingle the bell really, really hard.
Aw. Thank you. Aw.
Now, our biggest benefit is Miss Melody Snow.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow, in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, up till we go, laughing all the way. And the bell ring, making spirits rise. It is to ride and sing on the way home tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Yeah, it had no clue.
Now on that 12th day of Christmas. 12 days of Christmas, naturally to me. 12 Alka-Seltzers. 11 Blue Lagoons, 10 condiments, 9 vodka lanes, 8 nips of whiskey, 7 rum and coke, 6 Cosmo specials, 5 happy days. 4 baby chums, 3 black and tan, 2 nips of gin. And are we happy and a half pint? Thank you.
So cute. Huh? Here's the what? Oh, yeah. Oh.
You too.
Thank you for riding.
Oh, it was so fun. So this must be the dinner?
Merry Christmas.
Oh, it's so pretty. Pretty. Let's go. It's like a maze. These are the seats. How could I forget those? Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We're still on.
Thanks, sir.
We're still on here.
Have a good evening.
Thanks. I don't know.
Same track space.
Oh, so they have to move.
So they have to move.
Hey truck, how you doing? You look good from up here. What a nasty day. This neighborhood is so cute because they all contribute, or not contribute, but they all decorate for Christmas. Look at those little guys. They look like, there's like a little tree, a little wood family. That's cute. Henry, get off the couch.
Yes, sir.
What are you getting?
The fried pimento cheeseburger.
Fave restaurant.
The first one I got when I came.
That's cool. Those ornaments are huge. Snickerdoodle cookie dough blizzard from the DQ. Super good. Thomas got peanut butter sundae. We really have been all over the country today. Came back from my birthday surprise, Chattanooga, which was really fun. Then we did some stuff in Huntsville. Went to the store, Harbor Freight, looked for a light, and they didn't have it. So we drove 40 minutes to Decatur to get the light. They had them. Went to Lowe's in Decatur.
Well.
We're here. Went to TJ Maxx in Decatur while we're here. Now we're fixing to go down the road to the Home Depot. And then I think we'll be done for the day. Right?
Just leave Granny.
Yep, just Granny. Granny does not watch these videos and we have no idea what to get Granny. What are we going to get Granny?
Cigarettes.
Do you even know what kind they like?
I don't know what she smokes now. She quit smoking the one time.
I got her this cute kitchen towel and a little like spoon rest like for cooking. So got my Christmas Rosy Day shirt on.
That was Rosy Days.
Rosy Days.
If you didn't get that.
What did I say?
Yeah, that was Christmas Rosy Days.
Yeah. Our truck is packed still. Not as bad as it was yesterday, but it's still very full of just items.
Really, it's just all closed.
So anyways, I just promised y'all that this wouldn't be a all over the place vlog where it didn't make any sense. So I'm just updating y'all on what we're doing. It's 4:22.
So far, our day hasn't made any sense.
Yeah, our day hasn't made much sense, so there wasn't a point to just...
We'll get it done, though.
But yeah, but my surprise was at this really cool, which I'll probably talk about, I want to talk about it later, I don't want to rush. But it was really cool. We got to, like, there's like different, what would you call them, cabins of the train.
Cars.
Different cars of the train. Like one of them was like for the kids, like Polar Express. And then there was like the dinner. What was on a different? Huh?
The dinner train was a different train.
Oh. And then ours was.
They had a bunch of different, like, kid friendly, and then ours was 21 and up.
Cause I got a peppermint schnapps. Almost said snaps. It was really good actually. And then I think I drank it. I think I drank it all.
You did.
I drank that, and then I had the Bailey's Irish cream coffee, which that was really good. The people that were sitting next to us, that lady did not like it. She did not even drink like one, or she probably had like one sip. And the lady that was serving around, she's like, "You didn't like it?" And she was like, "It wasn't my favorite." I liked it. And then we got, little snacks. And it was just like really fun and cute. And Thomas was so sweet too, just kind of because he. Like, kind of what I did with the car experience, like, I kind of had to Google. I don't even remember how I saw it. It might have been an Instagram ad or something. And, you know, sometimes you get nervous with those things, like, if it's, like, legit. So I looked it up on YouTube, and it was a legit thing. And this, just one of those things you have to, like, find. You have to be, like, looking for it. And he looked for it. And we stayed at the cutest little Airbnb, which I gave y'all a tour. Super cute. We're going to do that more often because Henry could go with us.
Yeah, that was cool. They had a backyard. She probably showed you.
I actually didn't.
Well, they had a backyard for Henry, which was pretty awesome.
He didn't really spend much time
Like,
out there,
it was
but
gated and everything.
it was pretty cool. But anyways,
He didn't go out there because it was raining.
it's been raining all
It's raining.
day.
We woke up, it was raining, and it's like steady. It's like that heavy, steady rain.
Yeah,
where
it's
just,
no like thunderstorm and lightning. It's just
No,
like
it's just
constant,
like a steady, heavy rain. Like, you don't want to be out in it getting wet because it will get you wet. But it's not like
Yeah, see?
delusion downpouring.
Makes it so much fun to be out and about.
No, no.
So that's why we got ice cream, because we deserve it. So
We've really done pretty good today.
you're sitting on my dash. Pretty good spot. Underneath the windshield, you know, when it gets smaller.
We really have done pretty good for our first day of 2 shopping days. We pretty much got everybody done today. Went to Target. Lady was super rude. Super rude. Like,
It was not fun.
I've never seen anybody at a desk slam their scanner down. On the
She
desk.
did.
Like, straight up slam the scanner down.
She's like, what is she saying? This is not possible.
This is
not working.
This is not working.
Like twice,
This
and
is
Thomas
not
and I were
working.
just staring at her
Just
like, okay.
Does that mean you can't do it, or like? what
But
do
she
you-
figured it out.
Yeah, and then she did it. Like, okay. She was mad because she didn't have any help, and there was a bunch of people there.
Little line.
Which was the first thing I said when we walk up there. There's one lady working 4 or 5 spots on the counter, and it's 2 days before Christmas at customer service desk. What are you doing, Target? What are you doing? It's a little ridiculous. So she was pretty upset about that. Didn't need to take it out on us, but she was pretty upset.
So we got a treat. Still done with mine. What time?
I don't know.
We'll see y'all later. Bye. This day is really frustrating me because it's been raining all day. All day. And it won't stop. But another thing is whenever we travel for like a couple nights, seems like I have to bring my whole entire life. Like I bring my whole thing of shampoo, my whole thing of body wash, my whole thing of facial cleanser. And it's just annoying. I mean, there's so much stuff. We got 3 bags. My makeup, random bag, hair dryer, straightener, body spray, toothbrush, and then my clothes. Just a bunch of stuff. But I think I'm going to go ahead and end this video. And, I need to tell y'all about the different things that's on the brochure. It's the Tennessee Valley Railroad. And they have a bunch of different options or different events they can do throughout the year, which is really cool. So it's not just like Christmas, but they do okay, so February is Valentine dinner train. March is bunny train. May is day out with Thomas, the STEAM team tour. March through September is a Chickamauga, that's how you say it. Looks like they take you on a trip to Chickamauga, Georgia. March through November is dinner on the train, or dinner on the diner, which we wanted to do that one, but they were booked up, so that must be really popular. March through September is Somerville Steam Special. October through November is Autumn Leaf Specials. October is, of course, Halloween. November and December is the Christmas Special Dinner Train. No, that's the one that we want to do, but that was booked up. It is literally only a couple of days or a couple weekends. Wow, that's why it's booked up. Then November and December is the North Pole Limited, with I think that's the one that's basically for kids. And then the one that Thomas and I did is through November and December, Nightcap, St. Nick. That's the one we did. It says tickets, so, you know, of course, what the prices are. Guests will board our first class round-in observation car for a journey to the North Pole. Attendants will serve beverages and dessert plates while costumed storytellers and entertainers read "'Twas the Night Before Christmas," sing carols, and entertain passengers. Ticket includes 2 drink tickets needed for alcoholic beverages, dessert plate, and souvenir mug. So we did get this cute little souvenir mug, which is really kind of cool. It's like a coffee mug, but yeah, that was really cute. But I just figured I would go ahead and end this, but because I don't want my videos to be so long. I don't know if I'll do a video for the rest of the weekend or leading up to Christmas. I might, and if I do, then y'all will see it. But I don't want my videos to be so long, so I'm just going to go ahead and finish this one probably tonight, upload it, because I'm doing it all on my phone now, just because it's a lot easier just to kind of like pull up my phone and get a video. I figured I would kind of keep my camera to more like not vlogs, kind of like sit down videos like when I do the FabFitFun and like unboxings and things. So that's what I'm going to do. I think I decided that because I want to make more vlogs, but sometimes I get kind of embarrassed to pull up that, not really, because it's a compact camera, but I kind of get embarrassed in a way. But anywho, I had really fun on my birthday. Thomas was so sweet to do what he did, because he knows I'm like a train fanatic. Every time I see a train, I don't really know even where that really started. You gonna play with your baby? You gonna play with your baby? He's probably all frisky because of the wet weather. But yeah, so yeah, it was really fun and really sweet of him to think of me and do that for me. It was really cool. I love trains. I don't know why. I should be a conductor. But anyways, so I'm going to say that like 5 more times. I will see y'all most likely tomorrow when we do the rest of our Christmas shopping. Because we like to wait till the last minute, but it's alright. Bye, guys.